Okay, so welcome back. Another stream from Micro Soldering Solutions, and today we've got a Nintendo Switch, and it is coming not charging. So let's plug in the charge port and see if we get anything on screen. We should get a battery indicator up here. I can see on my USB test meter that we are getting 94 milliamps. That is not enough to charge. So let's get you round and let's see what voltage we're getting there. So we'll just use this as a ground plane, and right in front of the charge port we've got a test point here, and it should be 15 volts, and we have 5 volts. So 5 volts is basically what's being produced by the power supply, and we need that to be 15. So that does tell us that something is indeed wrong, but it does also tell us the charging port is good, because it's allowing voltage through. If that wasn't working, that would be 0 volts. So we've got something else going on there. We'll disconnect the battery and pull out the charge port. And this up here, we have the charging IC. And yeah, it's responsible for charging. And we shall get a look at that under the microscope. And we'll put the test meter onto continuity mode so we can see if we do indeed have a short up here. So there we are, the M92T36. That's the charging IC. There is also another common failure, which is the P13 USB, and we can test that on this capacitor here. So the bottom leg, we should have a continuity to ground, which we do. But if we've got it on the top, that means the P13 USB chip is bad. And we don't. So we can deduce from that the P13 USB is good and we've got no issues. No issues there, another cap, no issues there, no issues here. Oh. And we've got a short up here and a short up here. So this chip is probably bad. P13 USB is okay, charge port is okay, and this is what we're going to need to change. So let's switch on to the battery again and see. I have put some power into this. It was completely dead, but it will also show us on screen another error that we get is 2162-0002, which is a power error. Let that switch on and we'll see, and there we are. Error code 2162-0002. Don't know if you can see that there. It doesn't want to focus. But anyway, it says it just here. And that's also a common indicator that the charging IC has failed. So I'm going to have to stop it here, call the customer and see what they want to do. And if they decide to go ahead and have that fixed, I will get the stream started again, and we'll get it fixed. I'll show you how, and hopefully we'll have a working machine again. So if you have any charging issues at all, Nintendo Switch, give me a call, contact me on Facebook, and we can get that up and running for you again. So for just now, bye bye, and yeah, we'll see what she wants to do, or he.